Hello and welcome. In this video I will demonstrate how to make a lining for this t-shirt yarn purse. The first thing to do is to calculate the sizes of the lining and the pocket. I created a lining calculator that you can access online through my website, paintandknit.com. A self-healing mat, rotary cutter, and a clear ruler are helpful for cutting fabric. A hot iron is always good to have on hand for any sewing project. For the pocket, I fold the right sides together and press. Here is the pocket after sewing the side seams, and all but a 2-inch opening on the bottom. Next, I will cut the lining piece and fold it in half with right sides out. Place the pocket using the measurement of half of the bag bottom above the fold line. For this bag, it is 2 inches since the bag bottom is 4 inches. Also center the pocket horizontally. Pin it in place and then sew. Sew the lining side seams and press a crease in the bottom. Next, the bag bottom is made. Align the side seam with the bottom crease that was pressed. Place a pin to secure it. Place a ruler to the measurement of the depth of the bag. This bag has a 4-inch bottom, so I will make a line making sure the sides of the triangle are equal. Now I will do the same thing for the other side. Once again, feel for the seam and crease to make sure they align. Pin, and then draw the line. After sewing on the line, I press the top hem. The bottom triangles can be tacked to the side seams by hand. Here I am measuring for the placement of the label, which will be sewn by hand with 3 small stitches at each corner. For this lining, to prevent fraying, I used a serge stitch and hemmed in close to the edge. Next, I pin the lining into the purse, starting with the side seams and then pinning the centers of the front and back. To hand sew the lining, an invisible plastic thread works well. I use this thread by Gutterman. I tied a knot in the end. Now I will make a small stitch in the lining and go all the way through, catching part of the t-shirt yarn. Now I want to go back in as close as I came out. Take a small stitch in the lining and pull through again. That's all there is to it. So here the purse is finished. Thanks to the invisible thread and close stitching, you cannot see the stitches on the outside. We have a nice pocket that can hold a cell phone. Thank you for watching, and please visit my website where you can download the lining calculator.